The Supreme Court constituted panel's report has been made public in the Adani-Hindenburg saga. Ruling out any illegality on part of the Adani Group for the moment, the committee has said that it currently cannot conclude that there was a regulatory failure, quote-unquote, on part of SEBI on the alleged price manipulation. In fact, the report says, and I quote, "It's not possible to return a finding of a regulatory failure in compliance with the minimum shareholding stipulations. Not possible to return this kind of a failure when transactions were affected, and there needs to be a coherent enforcement policy." On the issue of price manipulation, the panel report said that all of these are still under investigation and committee doesn't express any opinion on merits. It asserts that SEBI already has an active surveillance framework to take notice of high price and volume movements. It maintains that SEBI has applied itself to the data generated by surveillance, applying objective criteria. Now, while the Council of Adani underlines that there is no illegality found, the petitioner is not convinced. Listen to both sides.
की हाईलाइट ये है कि रिपोर्ट ने ये बोला है कि हिंडनबर्ग रिपोर्ट पब्लिश होने से पहले कुछ लोगों ने, छोटे ग्रुप ने मार्केट में शेयर्स खरीदे, शॉर्ट सेलिंग करी, पोजीशन ली मार्केट में। हिंडनबर्ग रिपोर्ट आते ही दे सोल्ड द शेयर्स। सो एक हिंडनबर्ग ने मार्केट के साथ खेला है, पब्लिक सेंटीमेंट के साथ खेला है और इंडियन इन्वेस्टर्स के पैसे के साथ खेला है। रिपोर्ट में ये लिखा है,
The conclusive finding of the committee report has said that still investigation is going on by the SEBI, and SEBI has to reach upon a final.
The report says prima facie there is no regulatory failure.
So there are some prima facie findings which are going against means which are showing that there have been some kind of wrongdoings by the entities, by any so and so group, and still SEBI is investigating. And if after the conclusion of the SEBI investigation it comes clear that yes, there was some kind of violation, then definitely there will be something against the entities.
Times also spoke to Mukul Rohatgi, former Solicitor General and legal expert, to put this report in perspective. Listen in to him.
Now, as of today, it is very clear from the report that the Adani Group is not blameworthy, whether it's a case of stock price manipulation, whether it's a case of relating to related party transactions, or whether it's a case relating to minimum public shareholding requirements. In fact, the report goes further to say that Adani has taken positive mitigating factors to restore public confidence or the shareholders' confidence after 24th of January, and the price of the stock is stable. I mean, one could say that the Adani Group has not come under any finding of even prima facie guilt. And the meaning today is that there is no material to hold any regulatory filing failing on behalf of the Adani Group. That's